I've got a signal to go short, so I'm going to do that now. Now, the signal was this first red candle, and the market has jumped right back. It didn't really go anywhere. It went a little bit, but it's come back to that entry level. So I didn't miss this. I was afraid that I would. So I'm going to place a sell trade. Now, I would have been in this trade. If I had seen this signal, I would have jumped in on this. And this pullback is giving me an opportunity to get into a trade that I had missed. So my stop loss is going to go just above, and my take profit is just down here. So we're doing better than 1-to-1. Now, I will put the video on pause, and as this trade progresses, I will come back. This trade is coming along quite nicely. I've managed to stop quite a bit, so the risk on this trade is minimal. Now, when we get to our profit target, this trade will be closed and it will be a trade well done, but it hasn't happened yet, so I don't want to count my chickens before the eggs hatch, whatever the saying is. So we will keep on keeping on. This trade is going to play out one way or the other. We'll hit the stop loss or the take profit. Right now, the take profit's looking pretty good. I will put the video back on pause and I'll be back momentarily. And that is that. This trade played out and we've been taken out with our take profit. Our entry was in this area here. Our target was easily hit, but let me put the lines on the chart so we can see exactly what happened. So we got the signal on this one candle here, and it left without me actually. And what happened was I did get a pullback, and this pullback was to the entry. Now, the market didn't leave without me. It didn't be a trade as were, so I didn't really miss much. It did come back, and it would have been a trade I would have been in anyway. So that was okay to enter. I'm glad I did, because the market then proceeded to just move forward and take us out at our take profit level. On this trade, we managed to net $1,155. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just over half an hour. This was a nice little trade. It was what, 45 minutes or so. Thank you for watching this particular video, and maybe I'll see you in another live trade video.